Experience ultimate power. Witness massive machines slice through enormous logs, the roar of engines blending with the sound of splintering wood. This video will take you to new heights in the logging industry. Don't miss it. Okay, so what we're seeing here is just how quickly things can go wrong when you're working with trees. This guy was really lucky. It's a good reminder that even the smallest mistake can have big consequences.
Yep.
Even though he saw the risk, this guy stubbornly stuck to the plan. No adjustments, no alternatives.
Oh shit, it's on me. Right, get ready.
He cuts the branch, wham, it swings back and pins him down. But get this, the lanyard snags on his harness buckle. Talk about adding insult to injury. No wonder he panicked.
See how the line? If you want, we can just leave that for now. Just tie it off. Yeah.
Now this is what I call a saw. The Log Ripper X09. That 900mm tungsten blade brings back memories but with a modern twist. Cuts through 370mm of hardwood like butter. Mount it on your excavator, and you're ready for anything. This wood peeler may look like a relic from the past, but don't let its simple design fool you. The results are truly impressive. Let's dive into the video and see this little marvel in action. This is why you should watch carefully when the tree is about to fall. A second of hesitation, and disaster will strike immediately.
This was the ladder I was standing on. I had to jump to get away from it.
These aren't just any spruce logs, folks. These are instrument grade, meticulously selected for their exceptional qualities. Each log must be over 60 centimeters in diameter, sourced from altitudes exceeding 1,000 meters, and perfectly straight with no knots or blemishes. Once harvested, they're transported to the workshop, carefully sectioned, and then air-dried for months to achieve optimal tonal characteristics. Maneuvering a logging truck longer than a school bus around a tight bend on a steep, muddy incline? That's not just driving, that's precision artistry. These drivers are masters of their machines, showcasing incredible skill and unwavering focus in the face of challenging terrain. Let's talk about making your job easier. Moorbark Talon Debris. Shears are designed for smooth, efficient operation. They handle tough stumps and logs with ease, up to 40 inches in diameter. And check this out. The Model 40 uses your machine's existing hydraulics, so it's a breeze to install and remove. Less hassle, more productivity. That's what I'm talking about. Those guys are luckier than I thought. The Otwee Raptor. 300 is a game changer. We're talking a Cat C 7.1 engine pumping out 275 horsepower, tearing through the toughest terrain the Balkans can throw at it. Compact, agile, and built for anything you can imagine. This machine redefines forestry and reclamation. Everything happened in the blink of an eye, a real close call. Wow, I've seen a lot of changes in the logging industry, but this Kamox F175 is in a league of its own. Operating a skidder remotely with that kind of precision? It's impressive, and it's going to make a real difference in the field. This earth auger isn't just a tool, it's an investment in precision landscaping. Think of it as a surgical strike against unwanted stumps and post holes. Unlike a backhoe, it minimizes disruption, leaving a clean, compact hole. The portability? Unmatched. Maneuver it with ease, even in tight spaces. This is the gold standard for efficiency and minimizing ground disturbance. Wow! In this video, we witness the impressive capabilities of the Gilbert Pro 25 mobile sawmill as it effortlessly sliced through those magnificent red pine log. Truly, a sight to behold. Looking for a reliable and efficient way to split logs? Check out the SplitX 450. It's super easy to attach to your excavator and can handle logs up to 470 millimeters in diameter. Plus, it's made from durable hard-ox steel, so you know it's built to last. With the SplitX 450, you'll be splitting logs like a pro in no time. All right, folks, are you ready for this? This is the Clearman HD 848, and it's about to blow your mind. 2 heads, double the power, and it's hungry for bark. This machine is a beast, and it's here to dominate. Don't miss this epic demonstration. Let's talk log stackers, people. Wagner's new line is all about getting the job done right. They've listened to their customers and built machines that are faster, easier to maintain, and more comfortable to operate. Safety is a top priority, of course, and these log stackers are built to last. With reinforced components for heavy-duty performance, you can say goodbye to frequent tire changes and hello to smooth, stable operation. Check out the L490 in action.